Hi there, and welcome to at Tony's Garage. Since at this moment I am in my holiday in Italy, I thought it is a good opportunity to present to you the 1/43 scale replica of a racing car that won, in 1955, one of the most famous races from Italy and from the world. So, this is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Spider, with the number 722, that won the endurance race, Mille Miglia, and with the driver, Stirling Moss, and co-pilot, Denis Jenkinson. The 1955 Mille Miglia was a 1,000-mile motor race held on a course made up entirely of public roads around Italy. Also known as the 22 Edizioni Mille Miglia, the 992.332-mile, 1,597 kilometers, route was based on a round trip between Brescia and Rome, with start/finish in Brescia. Moss and Jenkinson were the favorites to win, although they had no knowledge of the local roads, despite this being Moss's fifth attempt at the Mille Miglia. Moss was relying entirely on Jenkinson's pace notes, now used ubiquitously in modern rallying, that they had spent months before the race compiling, while driving a 300 SL on the route. At the finish, faded by the Italian fans and surrounded by their team, the Englishmen discovered just how successful they had been. They had won the Mille Miglia, and had left all records shattered in the wake of their victorious 300 SLR. In second place came Fangio driving alone and the only other 300 SLR to finish 32 minutes behind. Check out my full review of this model on my second channel, Model Cars, Beer, and Words, with Tony, and also, let me know if you would like me to review another model car. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.